Hello. Today I will show you how can you fix running script is disabled on your operating system. For fixing this, let's create a folder and project. Okay. Then open the folder with Windows PowerShell. Copy this line. Hit enter. Then activate this environment. Okay. Here virtual environment is created if I am going to activate this by this line of code and hit enter. It will show users sumo desktop project environment script activate. uh, script is dissable is on this system. Okay, for fixing this issue, let's go here. I have to type Windows PowerShell. Okay, Windows PowerShell, and you have to open it in administrative mode. So right click, run as administrator. Yes. Zoom in it. Then I have to type here set execution policy. Execution policy. Set execution policy unrestricted. Unrestricted. Okay, and hit enter. Yes, I want to change this policy with in unrestricted mode. So I have to type here Y for yes and hit enter. Then close this Windows PowerShell and copy this line again and paste here and hit enter. Okay, finally virtual environment is activated and script is disabled on this system is removed. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay.